about to change out the corner light or the bulb in a 92 Honda Accord, and it's the same for a 90 through 93 model. All you do is come over here and release the hood. Okay, you lift up the hood. Alright, let's see if I can get it up. Trying to do this the hard way. Okay, I got it up in there. And you come down. Actually, I got a bulb out on this side right here. Alright, so you just come over here with your Phillips head screwdriver and you take out that screw right there. So you go ahead and release it and make sure not to lose it. This doesn't have a magnetic tip on it, so I'm going to grab it so I won't lose it. Just like that right there. Then you come on this side over here. This might pop out right here, this little side reflector right here. I'll just put it over to the side right here. And put the screw in the safe place, because I'll just put it up here out of the way. And all you do is come over here with your hands, grab it in the back like this and pull forward. If I can do that, and this whole thing will pop out. Work with it. Should pop right out. Okay, I just have to work with it. Okay, I finally got it out. It was stuck in there, and kind of broke off on the ends down here, but it's okay. Came right out, and the bulbs are right down there, so start it up and find out which bulbs are they're replacing. I believe it's this one right here, and I don't know what size that is. You can just I need to just change out the bulb, and it'll take just a minute, so I'm going to start up the engine and find out which one it is. Okay, this one's a little bit of a problem. I got my lights on right here. Both of these bulbs are out, and both of these need changing, so I need to replace both of these bulbs. Okay, I finally got this off. Both of these bulbs are out, and they need changing. This is old, but I can still use it. It's still good. So I'm just going to put this aside, and I just need to get some bulbs and change them out. Okay, I got some new bulbs and I done changed it out. So I got to put the cover back on and the shield, and then I'll be finished. Okay, both of these are working now, so that's good. I just go ahead and put everything back together. Okay, both of them are in, just like that. and this little piece right here slides in to like the little hole like that. It snaps in just like that. See if I can line it up. Especially in the front right there. Should snap right in just like that. Goes in just like this. Okay, and this cover right here will slide over the top just like that and snap right in on the sides right there. See if I can work that in the way I had before. Okay, it rained on me, but I got everything back together. I got it tightened down with that little screw right there. So everything is on the way it's supposed to be on it. Okay, I got everything back together. It kind of rained on me. All I have to do is just tighten down this screw right here, and that did it. So I had to put this little plastic piece on right here, and that pretty much did it.